In this guide, I will show you step by step how to log in Santander banking Poland. So guys, go to Google and search this keyword. After that, click this first result and then you will see this page. Click this login option. After that, click on this one, Santander Internets, and then guys, you have click accept this option. From here onto your login user, for example, this is my user. Click this one, and then this is guys between 6 and 20 characters. After that, enter your unique password from this option, your password, and then click this option. So guys, all you have to do, if you forget password, click this option, and then you will be keep your password. And then so guys, this is how you can do. If you want to log in your app, you can download the app on App Store or Play Store. This is the app. After that, when you log in, you download the app, you can log in successfully, just like these steps, guys. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content.